If you want to see everything that has happened inside your Todoist inbox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to view the activity on Inbox in Todoist step by step so you can track what's been added, changed, or completed. This is a really useful feature if you work with a team, manage tasks across multiple devices, or just want a clear record of updates inside your project. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Todoist tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Todoist and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left panel and make sure you are inside the inbox section. This is very important because the activity option you need is tied to the inbox view itself. If you're in a different project or area, switch back to inbox before continuing. Now that you're in inbox, move your attention to the far right side of the screen. You'll see a three dots icon, which is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click that icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several different options related to your inbox. From that list, select View Activity. This is the option that opens the activity history for your inbox. Once you click it, Todoist will show you all the activity that has been conducted on the inbox, including recent changes and updates. This makes it easy to review what happened and when it happened without having to dig through every task manually. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can view the activity on Inbox in Todoist and stay on top of every update. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Todoist guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.